Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back to another video, back to another unboxing mystery time. So listen, I wanted to get this out the way first. The Origin PC, the big $10,000 PC, I've moved to another office location that it'll be used there. So, but I like the monitors so much that I decided to keep them, get the Mac keyboard and trackpad and dock it. And I have a dock there. Everything like works great off one cord. Now, if you want details on that, I will explain that in today's Instagram TV. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and there'll be a video going in depth into this whole setup and that'll be really cool. All right, let's get started with this mystery box. I know who this is from, but I have no idea what it is because this is not a sponsor, by the way. I did a video for them and it was about Avengers and that was really cool, but they sent this and I heard they were just sitting there as a thank you and the guy wouldn't tell me what it is. So what is this? Is okay, see, if I tear this off, we will see what's in there. I kind of want to just open it and then look at this later. Let's do that. You know when you get a present, you what? I couldn't wait. What is that? Jurassic World came out this Friday. That's the timing. Super Colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh my God. I swear I saw this at Toy Fair when I was there in January, February, something like that in New York. Gigantic bites, swallows, and stores up to 26 mini dinosaurs. I remember this. You could put the dinosaurs in its mouth. I hope they came with some samples because we have to do this. Dear Lamarr, thank you so much for taking the time in April to explore Avengers Infinity War movie build. As a thank you, here's a gift to celebrate the release of Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, along with the new edition of Movie Build for the film. If you go to any Regal Cinema, you want to use the Regal Cinema app. This is really cool because it, like, you scan the pages and it does a augmented reality thing on your phone. Now that it's not a mystery anymore, how the heck do I get? This is how I get in there. My neighbors are going, oh my God. What if I wanted to donate this? But I'm not, because I'm keeping this. It is tied up everywhere. Y'all got some security issues. Ain't nobody gonna steal this. Who gonna go to Target and steal this? Why are we missing a leg? Was I that hungry? Or sorry. Oh, okay. Oh, there's no minis in here. Get out of here. Okay, so here's the leg. Hold on, let me pull this string out of his butt. You ever swallow a string? Don't lie. Don't you dare lie to me. You ever swallowed a string and then like a day or two later, like you feel it like in your butt, so you have to like pull? Don't lie. You know you've done it at least once, and then you pull it, and it's like, oh, and I'm sorry, but you know. Can you stand? How did y'all walk like this? You got these little arms. You defy the laws of gravity, man. Look at his booty. All right, so there's some instructions on how to put it together, but I'm a man. Man don't need instructions. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, that is really long. Why your leg? Okay, now it's standing up. Holy crap. Take a look at this in 4K. I'm actually not filming in 4K yet, but just pretend like it's 4K and This makes a lot more sense. The tail balances out, but his feet is all messed up. Let me try to fix your feet. You're like you got some plantar fasciitis. Okay, so that what do you want to get on my bait bag? What are you doing? Okay, hold on. Okay, I should read the instructions. I'm a man. Man don't need instructions. He eats the things. I just want to know where they go. Oh, okay, hold on. All right, at the bottom, that's where you retrieve them. Okay, I knew he had a poop chute. We're gonna try this. I don't have the dinosaurs. We're gonna try, this is how he eats. I have some Lego men. And then, and he's eating me, no! And then, hold on. And then, hold on, oh, yeah, put it back. And then you go, oh! And then he's like, I want another black guy. He's wearing black. And then he goes down and, yum, yum. And then you wait 8 to 10 hours. And then, poop time. And they're still intact, but they're a little bit more brown. Ta-da! What are you doing, man? Like, look at the little hands. Like, what are you? And then he also needs something done with his toenails, just like me. Oh, you need to close your stomach. You're gonna get an infection. All right, guys, there you go. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry. That is scary. I like this. For an adult that likes dinosaurs, I have always been into science. I want to know where they came from, what happened to them, and if like in Star Trek Voyager, they got on a ship, they advanced so much that they got into space travel, got on a ship, went to the Delta Quadrant, and populated a planet, and then Janeway and them come and discover that they're related to them because we have dinosaur DNA, and it was a good episode, okay? Don't worry about it. It's okay they don't like Star Trek Voyager. It was one of the best Star Treks out there. Alright guys, so that Jurassic World, the movie is out. Now, just to let you know, this is made by Mattel. Again, not a sponsor, but thank you for coordinating with Movie Build to get this to me. I love Mattel, man. They showed me this a few... They showed me this a few months ago at Toy Fair, and I'm really glad to have one, I think. Again, thanks again to Movie Build, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom at Regal Theaters. You will get one of these. All right, so we gotta check this out, hold on. Oh snap, what? Oh my God. That's on the cover? Okay, hold on. This one needs to move, that don't look right. Okay. Put you like right there. Guys. This is augmented reality on the cover. Look. Oh wait, they're kissing. Oh my God, guys. Look at this. Look, it's scanning that one. What? Oh, he's looking at him too. Wait, what's over here? Oh man. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification. And if you like this video, and I know you did, because it's look at this thing. Be sure to click that like button. It helps me out. I really appreciate it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.